Hello viewers, welcome back. In the previous video, I have shown you how to install Oracle VirtualBox and install it in your Windows machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create one virtual machine. So click on Windows button, type Oracle. You can see the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on that. So we are going to create a new machine. So click here on New. So I'm going to plan to start with Red Hat. So I will click or type the name. You can do the naming as your convention. So here I will install first the GUI, Red Hat GUI, then next I'm giving 2 GB RAM. You can allocate according to your total RAM of your computer. Click on next, then create one virtual hard disk, then create, leave it as it is, and then next. Yes, I want to be dynamically allocated. Next, I'm giving the size to be around 60 GB. Create. So now my VirtualBox or VM is created. I'm going to setting. Here it is not Microsoft Windows, it is Linux. Change here. Oracle, it's not Oracle. If Red Hat is available here, yes, this is Red Hat 64-bit. Great. You can see this icon. This is of Red Hat 64-bit. Now I'm going to settings. This is the advanced part. You can change here the clipboard and drag and drop description, disk encryption. We don't need anything here. System, I'm giving here 2 GB RAM. Processor, I'm giving 2 core processor. I have 4 GB, so I'm giving 2 core, or you can work with 1 core also, no issues. Then in the display, I'm increasing the video memory and leave everything. Then here in network, this is NAT. NAT means after the creation of Linux machine you can ping outside, but from outside, like from Windows, I cannot ping my Linux machine. So I want it to be bridge adapter. It will enable the routing from Windows to Linux as well as from Linux to Windows. Click on OK. So now this is ready, and again go to settings. I will install the ISO file or the operating system. So I have downloaded the Red Hat ISO image. I'm going to storage. See here, this is the controller. Yes, in the storage part. Click on this disk button. I will create, or you can add also. I will create. No, I don't. This is not create. Click on add button. I have downloaded already. Here I have CentOS, one Kali Linux, one Red Hat. I'm clicking on this. Open and choose. So here you can see Red Hat ISO is attached. Yes, here. Then OK. Here you can check everything is fine. Now you can just start. Just a minute, it is showing some information like error, no bootable medium found, system halted. Let me check it again. I'm closing it for now. Power of the machine. Okay, great. Go to settings. System, this is optical drive. Up in the display, all okay. Storage, I think everything is attached. Here it is empty. Why? Let me select again. And let me try again. Yes, it's all fine. Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.0. Here you can see the kernel is loading or booting, you can say. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes to completely get ready with the login and console part. So just wait and watch. Yes, this is the welcome screen. You can see my mouse is captured inside. it is not going outside. Okay, so you can click on English, and I'm comfortable with US English, and continue. So here you can say the select time and date. Currently I'm from India, so I will select here, then click on done. Great. Here the time is not showing correctly, so right now it's 12:15. Let me change. Great. So it is showing that my networking setup is not done yet, so that's why the time is not sync. Okay, my time is done. Then this is local media, everything is fine. Okay, make sure that if you want GUI, then you click on workstation. When I will install the CLI part, I will go with minimal install. Okay, then click on done. Anything else? Yes, here installation destination, the 60 GB hard disk, select that and click on done. I am disabling the kdump. This is not required for right now. Here I have selected right. Yes. Anything else? Here you can see the network. Okay, so I am enabling this Ethernet, then okay, done. Now begin installation. So select your root password. You have to create some strong password. I am just giving one simple password. Enter the password again. My password was weak, that's why I have to click on done button 2 times. You can create a normal user. In Linux we have 2 types of users mainly. One is admin user, that is called a root, and here we have created the password for root. And another user is normal user or general user. You can create one user. Let me create. I'm giving the username as KP, and again I'm giving password the same. You can give some different or strong password, no issue. See here, press done again to use the password anyway. So my password is actually very weak, that's why it is asking 2 times. Click on done. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. This installation process can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so you can watch, or if you want you can skip this part, no issues. See here, around 1444 packages are there, or softwares, they are getting installed. That's why it's taking time. Your laptop may heat up because some installation process are going on. These are heavy process. Make sure that other processes are not running, else your laptop may hang up. So, welcome again, guys. After a long pause, it was a long break, I understand. We have successfully installed all our 1444 packages. Now they are configuring something. I think the total setup may take around 30 minutes. So this is one of the disadvantages of virtualization concept or virtual machines. That's why in today's world we go with containerization. One of the example is Docker that we will see in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Now let's just wait for a few minutes. I think the configuration will be done very soon. Actually here we are installing the GUI part, that is Graphical User Interface. That's why it is taking more time. If you install the CLI part, that is command line interface, only the black screen, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. That's it, not more than that. Okay, so we are going with workstation. It will give some better UI for beginners, that is good, so I'm going with that. Let's just wait for a few minutes. Yes, so one more thing, that is where you will get the ISO. ISO is the bootable DVD. Like when you install your operating system in your hardware, you have the CD-ROM, right? Similarly, this is the bootable DVD software ISO image. So you can get it from RedHat itself. RedHat is the company, and Linux is one of the major product. RedHat Enterprise Linux, RHEL. Currently they are going with version 8. I think 8.1 or 8.2. I have 8.0. I'm installing that. So go and create one free account, and you can get there the ISO file. You can download from there. Some people might not have much resource to install, like they don't have the RAM, 8 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM, so their laptop may hang up, so they are not able to install or practice or test multiple environments, multiple operating system. So here the cloud technology comes in play. We will see the AWS cloud also in upcoming classes. Great guys, you all have fantastic patience. I think all the installation process and configurations and verifications have done. They are at the final stage. Our VM will be ready in few minutes. Great, so you can see everything is complete, and I suggest now you don't click on the reboot. Okay, just I'm showing you. If you click on the reboot, all the installation process we have done for 30 minutes or more, that will repeat again. So leave it as it is and just close this VM, power off the machine. Okay, now go to the settings. Go to system, just point one note here, click on hard disk, then click on up. Just remember the hard disk should be on the top. Okay, now click on OK button and then start. Press enter. Here you have to do the small things. We have already created a user, I think. Just leave it, we will check later. Just here accept the license agreement, that's all. Click on this, I accept, then click on done. Finish configuration, there is no okay. Quit. Yes. Okay, so finally at the end we got our screen of Red Hat. Now your environment is ready. It is asking for authentication. Click on KP or press enter. I have given some password. Just put the password, then sign in. Great, so this is my window of Red Hat Linux first of all, and if you want just wait, here it is English. I want to continue with US English, then click on next, typing US English US. Okay, great, next button. I don't want location service off it, and click on next. As of now I don't want to connect with any of the online accounts, so let us skip this step and start using RHEL. So it is giving some help. I will teach you all these things, so close it. Great, so this is the window. Here you can see the activities tab, Firefox, Evolution, RhythmBox and files. All these menus are there. This is the terminal or command prompt or CLI, whatever you can say. And one more thing, some people might get stuck, like their mouse is stuck inside, this is not coming out. So you can just press right control key of your keyboard, it will get out. Okay. And one more thing, if you want this black screen to be enlarged, just press right control key and C. It will ask for switch, just switch and then make it maximized. Okay. So this is your large screen. Here you have something wired connect estimating. This is the battery, I think. Yes, this is the battery setting. This is the user I'm logged in with. Great. And you can go to activities. All these things here are available. And again, if you want to make it smaller as it was, press again right control key of your keyboard with C. It will again scale down the screen. Okay. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I will start Linux from the very basics. Now I'm just setting down the virtual machine. I think this is the button. Yes, press it. Yeah, I want to power off. Great. Great. So this is the GUI installation of Red Hat. That's all for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.